Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 6, integers. Okay, so first of all I will explain you what are integers. So here I have written definition of integers. Integers are the number which can be positive, negative or zero. You can understand with the help of this number line. Okay, the center point is 0 and the number to the right side of 0 are all positive, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. It can be extended according to our need. Okay, and left side is negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. The number which are with negative minus sign are called negative integers, and the number which are positive with plus sign are called positive integers, and the center point is always 0. So these are all natural numbers. So you can say that combination of all natural numbers and whole number, 0 is a whole number, including all negative numbers are called integers. Okay, in integers you cannot include fractional number. Fractional means 1 upon 2, 3 upon 5, 6 upon 7. All the numbers that 1 upon 2 can be represented on number line, but that are not part of fraction. Sorry, that are not part of integers. Okay, so here I have taken exercise 6.1, question number 1. It is very easy. Write the opposite of. Write the opposite of. Already you have learned this in English, opposite. Okay, increase in weight. Increase means badna. So what is the opposite of word increase? The opposite of word increase is decrease. So your answer will be decrease in weight. Decrease in weight. Loss of rupees 700. What is opposite of loss? Loss is, opposite of loss is gain. Gain of rupees 700. Okay, so this first question is very easy. Now represent the following number as integers with the appropriate sign. You have to write the numbers with appropriate sign. How? That I will explain. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. An aeroplane is flying 2000 meter above the ground. So how you will mark this? So above the ground means plus. Above the ground means plus. So your answer will be plus 2000. Second part is B1, withdrawal of rupees 700. What do you mean by withdrawal? When you go to bank and when you deposit some money in your account. Okay, that is called deposit. And from ATM when you take out your money, that is called withdrawal. That is called withdrawal. Withdrawal means you have taken out your money. So what your answer will be? Withdrawal of rupees 700 will be represented by minus 700. Okay, you can see that ATM receipt. When you withdraw, you can see the minus sign, and when you deposit, you will get plus sign. Okay, so minus represent you have taken out your money from the bank or from the ATM. Okay, now third question is very easy. Represent the following numbers on a number line. Plus 5, minus 10, plus 8, minus 1 and minus 6. Okay, so for each question you will draw one number line. So first is plus 5. Okay, so plus 5 I will explain you. Okay, first of all I will draw number line, A question, A part. So first of all you have to draw one number line. This is plus 5. Okay, so see what is the need. You want positive side. Okay, so I am writing here 0. This is your positive side. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and plus 5. And the difference between the integers must always be same. The difference must be same. This gap, this must be of equal measurement. Okay, and this side is your negative, -1, -2, -3. Actually I don't need this negative side, I want +5. So when is a +5? So you can mark here +5. This is solution for A. B part. See, in B you need -10. So that means you have to draw one big number line. Okay. So it is negative. Your left side is negative. So I will write here +1, +2, +3. But this much only. Okay. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9 and -10. So -10 can be represented like this. This is your -10. Okay. +8. For +8 you have to go to the right side. Okay. So no need to draw this negative too much. Like this, you have to draw this number line. You have to extend till positive values +8. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then you will mark +8. Same way you can represent all the numbers on the number line. Okay.